Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about the previous year questions on tablet topic. So the first question was, what are the substances used to reduce friction during tablet compression and facilitate ejection of tablet from die cavity is called as. So yes, it was straightforward definition based question. So what do you think guys, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Comment in the comment section. So the other question was, in tablet HPMC, that is hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, is used as disintegrant, binder, diluent, film former. इसका आंसर जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में कीजिए. Microcrystalline cellulose is also called as sugar tab, Nevtab, Imdex, Avicel. The other question was, the friability issue of tablet can be solved by different ways except increasing the upper punch pressure of the tablet, addition of more tablet binder to granules, increasing the moisture content of granules, adjusting the lower punch pressure of the tablet machine. So guys, what do you think इसका आंसर क्या होगा? अगर आप अच्छे से देखोगे ABC option they will solve, right? But D option it won't help in solving. So the answer is D. So now this question type is the match the pair वाला type. इसमें list 1 में left hand side में we have the equipment and list 2 में उनके model, trade name या फिर types है. So simply हमें match करना है with the following. A material which is insoluble and inert and used in matrix tablet formulation. Polyethylene, stearyl alcohol, polyethylene glycol, triglycerides. क्या लगता है इसका आंसर क्या होगा? It's easy question. It's from matrix tablet. Which of the following term is used to describe the unequal distribution of color, chipping, mottling, lamination, double impression? What do you think guys? ये भी बहुत defect के ऊपर से question है. Just let me know the answer in the comment section. Another question from tablet defect. Which problem can arise if the material to be compressed into tablet tends to adhere to the die wall? Picking, sticking, capping, marbling. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? अगेन ये tablet defect से question. Just go read the tablet defect and solve this question right now. Now this question is, we have to match the events in tablet manufacturing process with the effect found in tablet. Now अगर मैं बात करूँ orange peel की, if you can see orange peel क्यों होता है? Because we use highly viscous solution, right? अगर मैं देखूँगा 2 का R, एक ही ऑप्शन है जिसमें 2 is matched with R, then our right answer is C. That's it. This is the way of eliminating the answers, right? Now guys, what's the purpose of seal coating step of sugar coating? Seal coat क्यों करते हैं हम sugar coating करते समय? It gives smooth surface to tablets. Sweet taste के लिए करते हैं. Enhance weight या prevent moisture penetration into tablet. Very simple question. Just let me know the answer in the comment section. Delayed disintegration in tablet is a result of large force of compression, higher amount of granules, small force of compression, low amount of granule. Again concept based question है guys. Just let me know the answer. It's an interesting question as well as tricky question. Evaluation of color of tablet is done by reflectance spectrophotometer, micro reflectance photometer, tristimulus colorimeter या फिर all of the above. I think so इसका आंसर D है. What do you think? Let me know. Now the following question was asked in the year 2022. In the process of sugar coating to prevent moisture penetration into the tablet core, which one of the following step is performed? Come on, you can guess the answer, right? That's an easy question. Let me know the answer in the comment box. Now this question was also part of 2022. The question number was 49 I guess in some of the paper. But the question was assertion and reasoning based. Again another type of question which they quite a few times ask. So just read the question and let me know the answer. Thank you.